Okay guys, the DJI Mavic 3 is announced and it's officially here. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into it, real quick, I just want to tell you guys about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that has helped me grow this YouTube channel. Make sure to check out my link in the description below to download a free version of TubeBuddy to try it out. But let's jump into the video. So, the DJI Mavic 3 has officially been announced and it's here and available for order. Unfortunately, I wasn't a part of the very lucky group of people that got their hands on the drone pre-release. I made multiple attempts to try, but the truth is I just don't have any connections like that and my YouTube channel is not big enough. I just want you guys to know right after the event, I did place my order. I got the DJI Mavic 3 Fly More combo, and that is exactly the one I was telling you guys I was probably going to get, and I'm very excited about it. So the leaks the last couple months were absolutely spot on correct when it comes to design and specs. We literally saw exactly what those leaks were saying. The camera is that dual Hasselblad camera with the 7x zoom on the top and the wide angle camera on the bottom. It has a 4:3 sensor and it also shoots 5K at 50 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 200 frames per second. The camera is still a 20 megapixel Hasselblad camera, so between the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 3, there's not going to be much of a difference when it comes to photo quality. We did hear of some features that did not get discussed in the leaks, such as a 4G LTE dongle that you can attach to the top of the drone that will allow you to fly the drone far beyond visual line of sight and still maintain a connection. Although, just remember that is not legal in the United States. I just want to make that clear. But other than that, we saw 3 versions of the drone. Exactly what we talked about. We have the Mavic 3, which is just the standard drone with the standard remote. It comes with 1 battery and a couple of accessories. Then we have the Fly More combo, which comes with 3 batteries, a carrying case, and lots of other awesome accessories, including ND filters, as well as a charger to charge multiple batteries. And this is the one that I ended up getting. And then the Mavic 3 Cine combo. And basically the only difference between that and the other 2 versions is that you have access to Apple ProRes. If you're not familiar with ProRes is like a raw photo, but the video version. So you have a lot of control over your media in post-production. And then the other difference is it has an onboard 1 terabyte SSD because those ProRes files are so large that they needed to include that on the drone. Now, I did watch Billy Kyle's review of the Mavic 3, and he did say that even with the 1 terabyte SSD, if shooting in ProRes, you only have about an hour and a half of video. So you'd think with 1 terabyte you'd have more, but those ProRes files are really big. And I will definitely leave a link to his review below because it was a great review, and I know a lot of you probably don't really want to wait for my review, so I'll leave that one below. But I will have my own review going over my own thoughts and opinions, so if you care about what I think, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos, and also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. The Mavic 3 is here, and it's everything we thought it would be. I'm curious to hear your opinions in the comment section below. I know there's a lot of people that are kind of hit or miss on the drone, so you know, I'm curious to hear what people think. I'll reserve my opinions for my review, but thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.